Today I'm going to show you how to edit the paper style in OneNote so you can change the look and feel of your page in just a few clicks. Whether you want ruled lines, grid paper, or a custom page color, this is a simple way to make your notes easier to read and better organized. And if you want to keep using the same layout again and again, I'll also show you how to save it as a template. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick OneNote tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open OneNote and go to the page you want to edit. This is important because the paper style settings apply to the page you're currently working on. Once you're on the correct page, look at the top ribbon and click the View tab. Inside the View tab, you'll see the options for changing how your page appears. Now click the Rule Lines button. A drop-down grid menu will appear with different paper styles you can choose from. If you want writing lines, select one of the Rule Lines options. These are the standard horizontal writing lines, and you can choose from narrow, college, standard, or wide spacing depending on how much room you want between each line. If you prefer a more structured layout, you can choose grid lines instead. Grid lines give you a square graph paper look, and you can pick from small, medium, large, or extra large grid sizes. This is great for diagrams, math notes, planning, or any type of organized layout. After choosing your preferred line style, go back to the View tab again and click the Page Color button. This lets you change the background of the page. You'll see a soft color palette grid with options like cream, light pink, pale green, or soft blue. Pick the color that works best for your notes. A lighter background can make the page feel cleaner and easier on the eyes, especially if you're taking long notes or reading for extended periods. Now, if you want to create a fully customized page style, you can combine both settings. For example, you can use college ruled lines with a cream background, or grid lines with a pale blue background. Once you've made the page look exactly how you want it, you can save that setup as a template so you don't have to repeat the same steps every time. To do that, click the Insert tab in the top ribbon toolbar. Then click the Page Templates button. And from the bottom of the drop-down list, choose Page Templates again to open the side panel. On the right side of the screen, scroll all the way to the bottom of that panel and click Save Current Page as a template. A small window will pop up asking you to name your template. Type in a clear name so you can recognize it later, then make sure you check the box that says Set as Default Template for new pages in the current section. This step is really useful because it makes your chosen style automatically appear on future pages in that section. After that, click Save. And that's it. You've now edited the paper style in OneNote, and if you wanted, saved it as a reusable template for faster note-taking in the future. This is a great way to make OneNote feel more personal, more organized, and more efficient for your workflow. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next OneNote tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.